How to delete or close your Etoro account in easy way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete or close your Etoro account fast and easy. First thing we do, we go to Etoro, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you have to go here and choose settings. As you can see here, now you will have many options here, but you have to choose the second one right here. Click on account, and now go down and you will find close your Etoro account. Click on it, and now tell them why you are leaving. Choose a category, for example payment issues or account issues, and then choose whatever option that it's the reason of you are leaving, and click continue, and your account will be deleted. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.